Hello, in this video we'll speak about how to design integrated unit using technology in STEM education. And STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So the title of our unit is Saving the Boy, and the theme is Connecting People. This is a group work, group or collaboration work. The policeman, I hear the call. It's a story. I want my daddy. The boy was crying when I asked the lady with him. She claimed to be his mother. I doubted that this boy was kidnapped. I asked for his birth certificate, but she didn't have any. I had her arrested and started my journey to return the boy back to his family. How can I do that? Then I remembered. I attended a press conference in a STEM school last week. The students were presenting their websites that can be used to help kidnapped kids return to their families. I contacted the school principal to make sure that the website is reliable. The school principal told me to meet the computer science teacher, the English teacher, and the science teacher who were working with the students on the projects to answer the question, how can you help return the missing children to their families? Let's meet the teachers. The first step in designing a website or a program is designing a flowchart. Flowchart is the basic of or the fundamentals of building a program or a website. The computer science teacher said students recognized and summarized different HTML code, including tags, attributes, and values for designing a website or web page, including its content. And the sample of code is shown below. Then, students linked all website pages and create the form page. The form page, which is collecting data, is very essential page in this website. We take a picture for the kidnapped child and upload it. Besides the picture, which is very important, the skin color of the kidnapped child, hair color, hair type, eye color, blood type, length, and so on. Then this collected data will be sent in the back end as students made a recognition expert system in the back end in which a computer AI, which stands for artificial intelligence system, mimics the decision making of recognition ability that is developed by large data sets algorithms, which include many codes and equations. The computer teacher continued, this is an example of the equations used by the students to make their website based on AI, artificial intelligence. This equation is called reward maximization with discount equation. We have two equations. The above equation is a symbol of the complicated below equation. So in the below or the bottom equation, we have gamma or JAMA, which is the discount rate. Its value between 0 and 1. When it's small, gamma, the term will be neglected. When it's large, near near approximately 1, so the term is found. And when there are many terms, GT, which is the recognition process, is bigger. So when G is large, the recognition process is very good recognition. And as you see, the artificial intelligence is a very reliable tool that should make the website built on stronger ground because it is used in many important aspects of life because of its accuracy, like banks, health, and skills. And one field of intelligence or AI is face recognition. And there is here, as we see or watch, 10 examples of face recognition. As we see in the second example, face recognition systems are getting better all the time. Face recognition statistics used in Apple systems, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. Face recognition in health statistics and emerging trends. Face recognition in marketing and retail statistics and emerging trends. Face recognition in airport statistics and so on. One note or big information that in 2020 there was invested about $3.5 billion in AI application, and this volume will be increased to till $7 billion in artificial intelligence applications by 2024. As an English tutor, my students determined through reading articles of police investigations how to determine the biological parent of a child. Introducing to the challenge, students began to share their initial thoughts, either verbally or verbally or writing. Through studying multiple intelligences, students use interpersonal communication skills to raise awareness about the importance of helping street children. Through examining models of DNA, students found more about existing solutions and how users tackle the problem so that they avoided mistakes. In designing their prototype, students analyzed the examples of similar products and how different governments and international organizations try to help kids return to their homes and note down each step they underwent through an analytical essay, supported with the rates of missing children. In order for students to build their website on a solid biological base, they first learned about DNA and variation. And after they did the first prototype, they realized that the genetic variation is not the only variation to be considered. There is also the environmental variation. They need to make predictions for this one too. Students learned about the range of possible values for any characteristic, physical or mental, of human beings by collecting and comparing data. After knowing the amount of solid knowledge and effort put in this project, I am now sure I can rely on it to save my kidnapped kid. Saving the boy, this is our presentation of our unit connecting people, which depends on integrating subjects using technology and STEM education. Saving the problem, Solving the problem of kidnapped kids. Thank you for listening and watching. And don't forget to subscribe in the channel if you are not subscribed, and write a good comment to support us and share this video if you like it. Thanks for watching.